In this example, we will look at an R-group analysis to identify functionalities influencing potency. The dataset contains buspirone and some close analogues based on a common scaffold. Select a molecule, in this case buspirone, and start the R-group decomposition wizard. The selected molecule is displayed in the wizard so that you can now choose the regions of the molecule that make up the scaffold by drawing around them with the mouse. In this example, because we selected two separate regions, the connecting functionalities will be considered to be variations in linkers. The R, X and linker buttons enable you to define additional R groups, variable atoms or groups, and linkers in your scaffold. In this case, compounds containing a piperidine or homopiperazine ring will also be analysed, such as those in rows 2 and 3 of the dataset. Click Finish, and new columns will be added to the dataset indicating the scaffold, R groups and linkers that have been identified for each compound. Asterisks indicate the points of attachment to the scaffold. Hover the mouse over an R group to see a pop-up of the scaffold. The scaffold window can be docked in the tabbed area, and if you have more than one analysis in your dataset, the displayed scaffold will change to show the scaffold associated with the selected R group column at any given time. You can visualize the SAR in the series using the visualization tools in StarDrop. Click on the header of any R group analysis column in the dataset to display a histogram showing the number of compounds with each group at that point of variation. Other data can be plotted on the y-axis, and other chart types can be used to see more detailed information. Converting the histogram to a box plot displays the distribution of potency data associated with each R group at position R3. To analyze the properties associated with combinations of R groups, we can create an SAR table. By default, the size of the pie charts indicates the number of compounds represented. Additional formatting options can be applied, such as using colour, size, symbols or borders to represent other properties. There are many other ways to view your data, using pie charts, histograms and scatter plots in each cell. Finally, StarDrop can fill in the missing combinations of R groups and linkers that are not present in the series, helping to explore other, potentially interesting compounds. This example shows how we can run the flexible R group analysis in StarDrop. You may also be interested in other videos and tutorials on our website, including one illustrating multi-scaffold R group analysis, for when we have different series based around multiple scaffolds, where the substitution points are equivalent because they share a similar binding pose.